Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna do something a little different. Thought about just doing this sort of as a reoccurring thing. Actually, originally I thought about making this like a podcast for years. Actually, I thought about it, but everyone and their freaking dog does a podcast now, especially in the fishing industry. It's just like crazy saturated, and 99% of them are effing terrible. Um, but anyway, it is called Theories in Fishing. So, and I want you guys to comment down below what your theory is. I want to make it kind of an open-ended sort of conversation. So, today it is talking about weather, cold fronts, especially right now in the summer going into fall sort of transition. Does the cold front, the change in weather, actually make it better? What I'm gonna do on this video is just gonna kind of talk about 2 days that I went fishing that were pretty much back to back, and crazy cold front sort of thing and whatever. So what happened was I went out fishing one day and it was 95 degrees, bright sunny skies, super hot, and it has been that way for months. I mean, whatever. And ended up catching 3, losing 2. Here's a video of the best one I caught though. Okay. There we go. About two so. Alright. There we go. The weather dropped down 30 degrees. It went from 95 to the next day it was 65. I did not go fishing that day, but the next day it was still high of 60, raining, overcast, just storming all day, and fished the exact same spots. I did all of this with this whole video in mind. Fished the exact same spots and had pretty much the exact same day. Caught 3, lost 1, so it was pretty much the exact same day. Nothing huge, but hey, whatever. The same amount of time, 6 o'clock in the morning to like 9 to 10 in the morning. Yeah, I fished the same time, same areas, exact same spots, and yeah. So, my question to you is, do you think that the change in the weather really matters. What do you think? But anyway, I want to make this an open sort of forum for everyone, but I'm thinking about doing this as a podcast. I want someone else to do it with me, kind of a co-host. We can kind of argue and then have have it live and open forum. Other people can comment, all that stuff. If you think that's a cool idea too, you should also comment that down below, because there's so many theories in bass fishing. There are so many people out there making stupid videos saying, this is what you need to do, and this blah blah blah. And I do it too. I tell you, I give you tips, but I try to actually give you tips. Shit that actually works. And then also just not force it upon you. But there's so many people out there like telling you, you gotta do this at this time, you gotta use this bait, you gotta do that, blah blah blah. I ain't gonna do any of that. And if you know my channel, you know that I don't do any of that crap. I have no allegiance to anyone. I'm not sponsored by anyone except redbeardbassandbaits.com. Just kidding. I have to throw that in sometimes. But seriously, I'm not sponsored by anyone. I don't care. I don't listen to most things. I just use my brain and experiences from doing this for over 20 freaking years, especially in a difficult state to catch bass. It's just, So, but I'm always open-minded, as you should be. You should not listen to everyone. So that's why I want to make a podcast saying theories in bass fishing. Because there's certain theories, you should use this bait, you should do that, you should only fish this time, blah, 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 just whatever. There are millions out there, and I could argue them for days. So, if you want to see that, comment down below as well, but also just give me your opinion on cold fronts right now. And, maybe I'll start doing it. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next real video, I guess. Whatever.